Nice shot.
Yeah.
So I'm like, now I feel better.
They're lighting me up.
Nice, let's go.
I was shot.
Go.
Nice job, Muffin. Let's
Landed roof.
Come on, you muffin.
Clear to engage all targets. Enemy soldiers incoming.
Taking fire over here.
Bro, he's hacking. He's hacking. That guy's hacking.
damn.
He said I'm hacking.
Oh, there's people attack also.
Hang on, I'm going outside.
Got him.
Serious?
Looking
I'm
for you.
sorry. Oh,
Enemy
my.
UAV
I'm with you
overhead.
guys.
Under fire.
Hitting me, bro. I'm safe. I'm just fucking.
Mark the target.
Oh no!
The other one's on the right here.
Oh shit! All right, that's a big fucking rocket, dude.
I got a whole team in here now.
Got him.
He might be in a window.
I got him out of the window. I got him out of the window.
Okay, yeah.
Vixen, you're level 2.
I don't give a fuck.
Honey Badger don't give a fuck.
I can't hear me. I
Guy in here.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a
gosh.
chance to redeploy.
Frag out. Take sharp.
Enemy UAV
He
overhead.
jumped off, I think?
Yeah, they did.
Not entirely sure.
Behind me.
Someone here and there's someone on me.
Destination locked.
Wow,
They're on
bro.
me.
Oh, they're in the tent. I hop out. I'm gonna use my weapon to decoy.
I'm getting hit.
How's this nigga yo?
Down.
Oh,
Well
damn,
done.
you just fucking smoked little bitch.
Oh, your name's not there because I was stunned.
I cracked the guy on top of blue.
All right. Wow, I can't even get through a fucking window.
Bro.
I broke the guy in the heli. Down him.
Oh!
Just watch behind us.
I'm trying to clear this building. I just want to clear some of these buildings. So we know.
There was a guy. Yeah, right here. Easy
Enemy
snipe.
marked.
2. I see 2 at least.
Yeah, there's 2 up there. Downed him.
Straight ahead of me.
Down the other guy.
God, please be that stupid.
I cracked him.
We have a problem. We're about to get pinched hard.
Where's the shot?
I'm coming.
Down one.
Wait, that's not you. Fuck, your clan tag came out above his head as he ran in. Oh no, bro. I thought that was you.
Down 2. There's another one behind you. Oh, wait, no, that's a heli. You're good, you're good.
Enemy marked.
Oh, he's one.
Got him.
Lights out.
Nice. let's
You're
go.
good. Sit tight.
Where are you?
Throwing stun.
I'm sorry.
Oh, he's on the top. He's on the roof.
Which
Is he on
one?
the roof?
Over here.
On me, like,
Over here.
Taking fire.
I downed him. Holy fuck. That was the most epic snipe of my life.